IUPAC nomenclature of alkenes. These type of nomenclatures came in every entry test of Dow, SMC, KMDC, NAD, NUMS, UHS and others. You have to find out the IUPAC naming of the given compound. These can be of alcohols, these can be of aldehydes, carboxylic acids, alkyl halides, alkynes and alkanes. So in this MCQ, you have to find out the IUPAC nomenclature of given compound. But in the given compound, you are watching that there are two double bonds present. So if any compound double bonds are present, only double bonds are present, so you should consider that these are alkenes. And in order to name any IUPAC compound, you first have to find out the longest chain. The longest chain can be of either straight or can be of branch. So in this case, the longest chain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the longest chain contains 6 carbon atoms. And it is a straight chain which is only present. So only 6 carbon atoms are present in the straight chain. So you will see the options out there, 6 options out there. So in the parent alkane on the given compound, 6 carbon atoms are there. So 6 carbon atoms in organic chemistry means hex. So you have to see in an options that where hex is present. Hex is present in option B and option E. So option B and option B can be of answers, but option A, B, D are eliminated. These are the distractors because option A, B, D doesn't contains hex. So in naming of any organic compound, you have to first find out the longest chain of carbon atoms, either straight or either branch. So you have find out that it contains 6 carbon atoms. Then after finding out the longest chain, you have to find out the bond which is nearest to carbon atom. In case of alkene, because in this compound 2 double bonds are present. In this compound 2 double bonds are present at different locations. So you have to start the numbering of carbon atoms from where the double bond is nearest. The double bond is nearest from the right hand side, means on the first carbon atom. But in the case of left hand side, the double bond is on second carbon atom. So the numbering would start from right hand side. So it becomes carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it becomes numbering would start from right hand side. And one more thing you will consider, that if there are more than double bonds, if there are more than one double bond present in any organic compound, then for 2 double bonds you should write di. For 3 double bonds you should write tri. For 4 double bonds you should write tetra. So in this case 2 double bonds are present. So in naming this organic compound, you have to first find out the longest chain from where the double bond is nearest. It can be of straight or it can be of branch. Then after finding out the longest chain, you have to start naming. Then and in naming, you should consider that you first mention the position of double bonds. So I have started my naming from right hand side. So the position of first double bond is carbon number 1. So it becomes 1. It becomes 1. And the position of second carbon atom from where I have started the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. So the second double bond has a position of 1, 4. And after that I will write hyphen. And I have chosen the longest chain which consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon atoms. So it becomes 1, 4, which is the positions of double bond, and hexa means 6 carbon atom. And I have already said that when there are more than double bonds you should use di. So it becomes hexa di means 2 double bonds. And at last in any alkene you should use ene. So it becomes 1, 4, which is the positions of double bond, hyphen. Hexa means 6 carbon atoms, di means 2 double bonds, ene means this is the alkene. So 1, 4 hyphen hexadiene is the IUPAC nomenclature of given compound. Stay watching educationisthub.com.